Hi, in this video we will look at the plant layout tool, which is part of the IntraVUE IoT platform. So as you can see, IntraVUE 3 comes with a plant layout, sort of like a map layout tool, which you can pretty much customize versus using the topology view. So if you click on the plant layout, you can start by editing the workspace. If you have a specific file in mind, simply click choose, and then you can select a diagram of your choice, and then there's the first sizes, which are American sizes, and then there's the international sizes. A0 is the largest, and then these 5 on top, and they're pretty much kind of close, kind of similar, but you have to decide which one's best. So we'll select this one, and then we'll choose the demo workspace. So once you have your workspace, just have in mind that the topology view, meaning your logical view, is going to be a little different when it first pops up in the plant layout. You have to actually do some arrangements, arranging all of the nodes around, so you can either drag and drop the single device at a time. You cannot do that for a switch which has multiple devices, so you click move descendants, and then you're able to move the descendants that way. Also, you can zoom in, zoom out, so that you can see the actual device image. And similar to the topology view, you can click on a device and get device information. This is the same as what you will see typically in the topology view for a device. Same for switches and for connections. So you still have the diagnosis / help functionality of the topology view, and then once you actually move around your topology to your physical topology to interact with your layout, then you can either draw regions. You hold the control key and you do a left click drag and drop. You can highlight multiple devices and see the actual multiple devices side view graph, and you can troubleshoot bandwidth and ping response. That's just for kicks, but if you want to draw a region, you just click add region, hold the control key, left click drag, and then you'll draw an area that you can double click on it, and the plant layout will zoom into that zone. So like if you have a segregated area here, isolated area, you need to draw another area, and then you can zoom in into that specific zone. You'll delete it by simply clicking on the zone and click delete container. So the plant layout you can also filter the plant layout based on the filters. There's another video for filters, but yeah, it also You can also filter what you want to see in the plan layout by clicking filters, and then it'll show highlighted the switches or disconnected devices, etc., etc. So you remove the filters by clicking here, remove filters. So this plan layout view, you can actually print it. You can do a Control P, then you print it based on the paper size that you selected. It'll have the IntraVUE kind of like the inside part of the browser window. It won't have like the URL or anything like that, but you can print it in the specific size. You can also export it. There's a tool called the IntraVUE Plant Layout tool Plant Exporter. So if you install it from the support site, it's called the IntraVUE Plant Layout Exporter. If you go to the iv.com/iv3/help/IntraVUEhelp.htm, you can go into all the resources, downloads, and then you can download it from there, IntraVUE Plant Layout Exporter. So then what you do is you click export to you leave it as is, localhost, or if it's a remote IntraVUE host, you can change localhost for the IP address, and then file name export, and it'll look something like this. It has the lines bolder. You can move around devices. It will kind of work as the plan layout, and then you can zoom in, and this makes your background even look bolder and nicer with the lines, with the connection lines and the devices arranged according to your layout. So that's pretty neat. I just wanted to get this export across as well, and this tool is very useful for when you want to have a control of the locations of your devices. Okay, thank you.